Ich gehe heute ins Kino. Heute gehe ich ins Kino. Ins Kino gehe ich heute. Hallo alle zusammen. Heute sprechen wir über die deutsche Satzstruktur oder auch bekannt als der deutsche Satzbau. Today we will talk about German sentence structure. And you can either say die Satzstruktur oder der Satzbau. Bauen means to build something. So it's like the construction of the sentence. Alles klar? So, und ich mache dieses Video zweimal. I will make this video twice, once in German and English. This is the one which you're watching right now. Und das andere ist nur auf Deutsch. And the other one will only be in German. So, heute sprechen wir über die wichtigste Regel für die deutsche Satzstruktur. Today we will talk about the most important rule when building a German sentence. The most important rule first. So, this is actually a whole course. I will tell you more about it at the end of the class. Yeah? Das Verb ist der Boss. The verb is the boss in the German language. It doesn't make any compromises. The verb wants to be in a certain place and there it has to be. The other things are very flexible. So, und heute schauen wir uns einfache deutsche Sätze an. Today we will have a look at simple German sentences. So, for example, this sentence. Ich lerne heute Abend Deutsch. Okay? I learn German this evening. Now, what is also correct, das ist auch richtig. Heute Abend lerne ich Deutsch. That's also correct. The time can go first. And you see the verb, the conjugated verb, in this course we will also explain you what conjugated verb means and so on, is in the second position. In the second position, yeah, heute Abend is several words, yeah, it's two words, but they occupy one position, and that's the first position, all right? And ich Deutsch, then Deutsch lerne ich heute Abend. Das ist auch okay auf Deutsch. That's also okay in German, yeah? If you want to stress that you learn German tonight, then you would say, Deutsch lerne ich heute Abend, yeah? So, for example, was lernst du heute Abend? Deutsch lerne ich heute Abend. Nicht Mathe, not mathematics. Deutsch, okay? You get what I mean? So, and yeah, these are all correct. And for example, if you have a model verb, wollen, to want, you would say, ich will heute Abend Deutsch lernen. Aber das konjugierte Verb ist immer noch an zweiter Stelle. The conjugated verb is still in the second position, and that's will. Okay, so you see, the conjugated verb is in the second position. For simple sentences, it's like this. In this course, we will also talk about other things, yeah, more complicated sentences when the verb goes to the end and like this and blah. But for simple sentences, it's like this. So now the question is, what can be on position 1 and why is it there? Ja, was ist an Position 1 und warum? Why? Das Subjekt ist jetzt hier grün. Ja? The subject is marked green. So, wieder Position 1, Position 2 und der Rest. The rest. So, an Position 1 kann zum Beispiel sein das Subjekt. Hans fährt heute seine Tochter schnell in die Schule. Hans drives his daughter today quickly to school. Schnell ist quickly. Okay? So, Hans ist das Subjekt. Das ist Position 1 hier. Dann kann da auch ein Pronomen stehen. There can also be a pronoun. Er, for example. You can substitute Hans with er, and er means he. So, er fährt heute seine Tochter schnell in die Schule. Okay? So, time can also be in the first position. Heute fährt er oder Hans seine Tochter schnell in die Schule. Today he drives his daughter quickly to school. What else can be in the first position? Seine Tochter. As we've seen before, Deutsch could be in the first position. Seine Tochter can also be there. Seine Tochter fährt er heute schnell in die Schule. The next word, question word, ein Fragewort. Wer fährt heute seine Tochter schnell in die Schule? Who drives his daughter today quickly to school? Hans would be the answer, yeah? Hans drives his daughter quickly to school. So wer, this means who, can also be in the first position. Ein Adverb, ein Adverb, schnell, ja? Schnell fährt heute seine Tochter in die Schule. Quickly he drives his daughter to school today. So, usually in the first position is what is most emphasized. Yeah, it's for emphasis. So, for example, in the last one, schnell fährt heute seine Tochter in die Schule. Nicht langsam, not slowly, sondern schnell. Schnell fährt heute seine Tochter in die Schule. Quickly he drives her to school. Yeah, there is the emphasis. Und, the last one, location can also be in the beginning. In die Schule, to school, fährt heute seine Tochter schnell. So you see, und was ist immer an Position 2? What is always in position 2? The conjugated verb, fährt. Now the question is, how is the rest organized? You see, there is lots of things in the rest. No, heute seine Tochter schnell in die Schule. There's also a system in German. Sometimes it's flexible, sometimes not so much. We will talk about this in our whole course. So, and now I just want to show you quickly. So this is something I just wanted to give to you. It's a very important rule. So what did we learn today? Was haben wir heute gelernt? First, we learned that das Verb ist der Boss. The verb is the boss. So it doesn't make any compromises. And in simple main clauses, the conjugated verb is in the second position. Das konjugierte Verb ist an der zweiten Position. Ja? So, das haben wir heute gelernt. This is what we learned today. Und in this course, das ist der Kurs, ja? Und in diesem Kurs sprechen wir noch über ganz viele andere Sachen. In this course, we will talk about lots of other things. You see structure of simple sentences, sentence bracket, very important, die Satzklammer, we will explain you what that is and how it works, and then conjunctions. So maybe you've noticed that sometimes the verb in German goes to the end all of a sudden and blah, blah, blah. So we will talk about all this, do lots of exercises, and you can also print a summary. And you get 40% discount, 40% discount if you sign up now. Yeah, I think sentence structure is really not easy, so I think it might be helpful for you. Ja? Es ist ein 10-Tage-Kurs, a 10-day course, und you will get access for a lifetime. Ja? Ihr habt lebenslangen Zugriff. Lebenslangen Zugriff. Access for a lifetime. So you can check it out. I put the link in the description. Have a look and 40% Rabatt. 40% Discount. Dankeschön und tschüss.